Hi my friends, and what's up and welcome back. So today's video I have some speed cleaning motivation for you. Nothing crazy, but I hope you guys enjoy it. In today's video I'm going to be tackling my bedroom. I'm going to be making my bed, folding some laundry, and then I would say a bulk of this video is going to be spent in my kitchen. My kitchen is a complete disaster, so I'm excited to get in there and clean it. So I'm going to let some music play for the majority of the video. I'll be popping in and out, but for the most part, I'm going to let some music play. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're brand new here, hey, what's up? My name is Jessa. Welcome to my channel. I hope you guys choose to subscribe. We have a lot of fun here, and I'd love to have you part of my little YouTube family. And give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, so I know that you like it.
So cliche, I see the sparks you throw my way. I know your name is written on everyone's mind. Your whole show is captivating me, but don't think that I can see right through that disguise. But when you got close to me, you had me falling so hard, baby, hard, baby. Yeah, now I get it. You got heads turning,
So guys, I do have to apologize in advance. Spoiler alert. This cleaning video is mostly me doing dishes. I know a lot of people get upset when I include cleaning tasks that are really repetitive, like folding laundry or washing dishes. So I am warning you guys right now that if you are not interested in watching me wash dishes, it's time to click out of the video. I had so many dishes. I was so behind. I hadn't done dishes in a few days, as you can tell, and it was all just a ton of things that needed to be hand washed. Like I couldn't put them in the dishwasher, like Tupperware containers and like reusable coffee cups, and then just things that are really big that I just choose not to put in the dishwasher, like big like baking pans and like my big griddle and stuff like that. I do try to mix it up and break it up, but just a fair warning, there is a lot of me doing the dishes in this video, so I hope you guys aren't mad.
Watching it end again and again. I feel it in waves, you follow me, drifting to places I should leave. So close to the edge of something so perfect. We were too scared to take the leap. I'm missing the way we used to be. Let me go. Let me in this mess I'm falling. Never know. Can't find a reason why. Can't get any closer. It's been a roller coaster, but you stayed. And now I'm taking over for the day. 'Cause I can be what you wanna be. And I can feel, but you lie for me. Take me to a place I'm calling for. Open up the doors I'm knocking on. Oh, I'm losing control. Be the one to leave my fantasy. Show you, babe, your hands all over me. No, I'll never let go. 'Cause now I'm falling for love. Now I'm falling for love. Now I'm falling for you. 'Cause now I'm falling for love. Now I'm falling for love. Now I'm falling for you. And I'm losing my mind for the days. 'Cause you and I will never fade. And I could be what you wanna be. And I can feel, but you lie for me. Take me to a place I'm calling for. Open up the doors I'm knocking.
So that's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys from the bottom of my heart. I hope this motivated you. I hope this inspired you. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.